Dear children, today is the story Judge Monkey and Two Cats. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread while sharing. They made big and small piece. So they began to fight for the bigger piece. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, I will share it equally. He bite the bigger piece to make it equal. Again, it bite the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bite by bite, he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cat lost the bread. Dear children, moral of the story, we must learn to share what we have.